this is KSTYLEYO's third video. Today we're gonna study about syllable rule and vowel position and how to write vowels and consonants. Last time we talked about consonant and romanization, and I gave you homework to memorize all the consonants and practice making sound of consonants with different vowels. I hope you did that. So syllable rule, I briefly mentioned in the last lesson. So in the syllable, it always has to start with a consonant and then vowel. Or you can add another consonant. So two ways you can see in syllable. Either consonant plus vowel or consonant plus vowel plus consonant. So when you see two consonants in one vowel, in one syllable, I'm gonna refer to the first one as the first consonant, and then the last one as the last consonant. So here is the thing. Last consonant, you always have to write it underneath of everything, meaning underneath of first consonant plus vowel. So I'm gonna tell you about the vowel position. So in the very first lesson, I showed you the vowel table, and in the third line, there was some kind of letters in English. One was S, meaning side, M, meaning middle, and B, meaning bottom. M, technically, it is a combination of bottom and the side. So when you write combination vowels, you have to start with the bottom one and then the side one. So I'm gonna give you some examples. The first word is Korea in Korean, which is 한국. So how many syllables do you think there are? There are two syllables. 한국. First syllable. So when you hear the sound han, you have to hear the consonant first, because we start with a consonant in syllable always. Han. What do you hear? It's a H consonant and A vowel. Ha. And there is another one. Han. Meaning the last consonant is N. Han. The next syllable is 국. 국. What consonant do you hear? It starts with a G consonant and U vowel. And there is another consonant. Guess. 국. 국. There is another G. A lot of foreigners, they tend to say 국. They're dragging the last consonant or emphasizing it. But you can't do that in Korean. If you do so, it sounds more like two syllables, because we have a vowel of U sound. 국 sounds like you're making two syllables. So say 국. Simple finish. 한국. But it's hard to say han as in N as the last consonant with 국 syllable fast. So we tend to say NG sound for N in this case. Instead of saying 한국, we say 한국. So there is another example like this. 친구. Okay? There are two syllables. First one is 친. 친. It starts with a consonant of CH and E vowel, and there is another N consonant. Chin. Chin. Next syllable is gu. Gu. So it starts with a consonant of G and ends with a vowel of U. There is no last consonant in this syllable. 친구. This is the same as 한국. It's hard to say N and G consonant in a row. We say NG. 친구 instead of 친구. I hope it sounds different. 한국, 친구. Okay? And I'm gonna tell you how to write the actual alphabet. We only practice how to make sound so far. Now I'm gonna teach you how to write it. So when you write letters, it has to start with left to right and top to bottom. Okay? So I'm gonna show you how I can do it. So here is the paper and a pen, and I'm gonna show you how to write those two words that we just learned. First one was Korea. Second one was friend. Okay, those one has two syllables. Okay, in Korea, 한국, 한, in circle, top to bottom, left to right. This vowel is positioned to the side from the consonant, and then the last consonant goes underneath of everything. Han. This is the one syllable. Okay? And 국. Left to right, top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom. First consonant and then U vowel. U vowel is positioned to the bottom. And then last consonant goes underneath of everything. This is the second syllable. Friend. 친구. First syllable is 친. CH. Left to right, down, left to right, top to bottom, left to right. First consonant, vowel. This vowel is positioned to the side, and last consonant underneath of everything. 구. So two syllables. I was writing it as I was holding the camera, so I think the camera got kind of blurred at some moment, but I hope you can see it well. So we studied syllable rule and vowel position and how to write each letter and syllables.